Meet Osmo Pocket, a compact, stabilized smart camera that was made to fit in every moment. Osmo Pocket puts the power of stable camera movement in the palm of your hand, allowing you to capture cinematic video anywhere, anytime. A compact 3-axis gimbal eliminates shake and jitter, giving you smooth video. Osmo Pocket is also your own camera crew. The versatile extension rod gives you even more control of your shot. In selfie mode, the camera automatically enters face track, keeping you in the shot as you explore your surroundings. For filming all your friends, Active Track is now more intuitive than ever. Simply tap on the subject and the camera follows its every move. Put your audience at the front of the action. FPV mode captures a more dynamic perspective, following the gimbal's orientation smoothly for fast-moving shots. Take Osmo Pocket on your underwater adventures with the waterproof case. Shoot with distortion-free clarity from the camera's wide-angle lens. Love the view? Take a motion lapse and the camera moves smoothly over time, allowing the scene to come to life. If one frame isn't enough for a complete picture, catch it perfectly with a seamless 3x3 panorama. With Night Shot, capture handheld long exposures and illuminate the night. Osmo Pocket introduces DJI Mimo, a new app that expands your creativity even further. Story mode adds movie magic to your clips with a variety of templates to choose from. Preset camera movements, effects, and music turn your everyday video into an instant hit. Osmo Pocket works seamlessly with your phone, allowing you to share your favorite moments with a single tap. It's just as easy to put away for whatever comes next. Osmo Pocket instantly captures smooth, stabilized video for wherever life takes you. It lets you turn all your moments, whether they're epic or everyday, into a story worth telling.
Presenting the DJI Osmo Pocket Handheld 3-axis gimbal stabilizer with integrated camera. The lightweight and compact design with a comfortable grip allows you to carry it with you easily. The Osmo Pocket camera is equipped with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal. The gimbal is accurate and quick and comes with features like selfie mode and active track to precisely capture movements to create stunning videos. The DJI Osmo is capable of capturing 4K 60 videos and 12-megapixel photos. In Pro mode, you can manually control settings like exposure, ISO, and shutter speed. You can also capture time-lapse, motion-lapse, and panorama shoots. With DJI Mimo app, you can create videos and edit with templates, filters, music, and watermark stickers. Story mode uses a combination of preset shooting patterns and camera motions to help you create professional quality video whenever you want. Inside the box, you will find the Osmo Pocket, power cable, smartphone adapter, and a cover. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.
Press and hold the power function button to power on Osmo Pocket. Before using Osmo Pocket for the first time, make sure you have activated and updated the device. Now, here is a quick look at how to use Osmo Pocket. Osmo Pocket will show the battery level and the SD card's estimated remaining capacity. There is a slider shown on the far right of the screen to operate the gimbal's tilt axis. Slide the slider up or down to make the lens move in the corresponding direction. The tilt axis can also be adjusted manually. Swipe down on the main screen to enter the settings screen. You can set glamour effects, gimbal settings, full screen mode, and brightness settings. Swipe up on the main screen to enter gimbal settings, such as recenter, selfie, follow speed. You can also choose between different gimbal modes, such as tilt locked, follow, and FPV. Swipe left on the main screen to enter shooting modes. Then swipe up and down to switch between modes, such as photo, video, time-lapse, motion lapse, and pano. After the shooting mode is set, swipe left to adjust the shooting parameters. You can also press the power function button on the grip to switch between the shooting modes. Double tap to recenter the gimbal, and triple tap to make the gimbal rotate and enter selfie mode. Press the shutter record button to capture photos and videos. Swipe right on the main screen to check the footage and photos by swiping the screen up and down. Swipe right to tag the file as a favorite or delete it. In photo or video mode, double tap the subject on the screen to automatically enter active track. To exit the mode, press the function button once. When the filming is finished, press and hold the power function button to power off Osmo Pocket. Connect the charging cable to charge Osmo Pocket, and the status LED will blink to show the current battery level. Thank you for watching.